Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get loans from Revolut using the loans function. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Revolut app, then go to the loans section, which is going to be the last tab on the top of the screen. This is a new feature on Revolut, so they are just launching it. So it may not be available in your country yet, but it is coming out in the next few weeks. You will see this opening page, which says join the credit waitlist. And if you tap on it, here you can learn more about this feature. Revolut loans are coming. Get a loan up to 100,000 RON, which is RON is 5 times less than euro. So it means that it is around 20,000 euros. That is what you can get. It takes just a few taps to apply and you could have the money in your pocket in minutes, which is crazy. So you can get up to 20,000 euros loan straight from your app, which is, yeah, that sounds crazy. Get notified when you can apply. Tap notify me to be alerted when loans are ready and be the first to hear about new Revolut credit products. So yeah, if you are interested in the loan feature, you just have to tap on notify me and you can start using it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.